Hi, I'm Moby Smart Cat, and today we have Poptel P60 in review. Poptel has just announced a new rugged smartphone, the Poptel P60. The phone is currently available in the United States, which aims to compete with the Cat S61 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 Active. The Poptel P60 is surely a more affordable option than either of those two phones, while the phone comes with a rather interesting design. It has rather noticeable bezels above and below the display, though their design surely is eye-catching. It's similar to some designs we've seen in the past, but it's definitely uncommon, and will get people talking. The phone is made mostly out of metal, while it sports two cameras on the back, where you'll find the phone's fingerprint scanner, and its logo as well. The Poptel P60 is available in 3 colors, in red, green, and orange variant, just what we have in our review, though keep in mind the only accents of the phone will be colored. The vast majority of the phone will remain black, no matter what color you choose. The phone is IP68 and MIL STD810G certified, which means that it is water and dust resistant, and also quite durable, as it has the military grade certification for ruggedness, and the device is also shockproof. The Poptel P60 features a 5.7-inch Fold Plus display, while Corning's Gorilla Glas 3 protects its display. The Poptel P60 comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, while it is fueled by the Helio P23 64-bit octa-core processor. The device includes an NFC chip, while 16 and 5 megapixel cameras are included on its back. An 8 megapixel camera is included on its front side, while the phone offers facial scanning as well. The phone also offers global 4G LTE bands. Android 8.1 Oreo comes pre-installed on the phone. You could almost say that this is a classic rugged phone: sturdy edges, colorful details that give the smartphone a modern look, bumpers around the case, and protective caps on the ports. The case is topped by the IP68 certifications, and will be able to withstand water and falls. The frame is made of metal, while the back is made of plastic, but decorated with high gloss elements in carbon look. Here, you will find the bar with the 2 cameras, and the flash, and the fingerprint sensor underneath. In addition, there are still details in brilliant colors on the smartphone, which spice up the black. The Poptel P60 comes with a 5.7-inch 18:9 display. The panel also resolves with Full HD Plus 2160 by 1080 pixels, giving a crisp PPI of 423. The display glass protected by Gorilla Glass 3, which gives to this smartphone extra points on endurance. But endurance does not mean discomfort. You can easily operate the Android operating system via the on-screen buttons. The driving force of this smartphone is the Helio P23 from MediaTek. The octa-core CPU offers a good mix of performance and efficiency. It also works fast. The graphics output is handled by the Mali G71 GPU, and a whopping 6GB of RAM, with 128GB system memory complete the package. The Poptel P60 comes with Android 8.1. This operating system version made some adjustments, such as visually revamped icons, or improved functionally, and additional settings. In terms of performance, you will notice that you don't have basically any limitations. So far, the update policy of the company was good. After the launch, updates were made via OCTA, to fix bugs and add new features. The camera setup consists of a 16 megapixel main sensor, and a second 5 megapixel sensor on the front. A single 8MP will be available for selfies. It comes with regular camera functions, such as face beauty, face detection, touch focus, and panoramic shots. The software for the camera comes with an eye function. The artificial intelligence should recognize scenes and subjects and adjust the photo parameters accordingly. The Poptel P60 has many great connectivity options and 3.5mm audio jack, as well as other interesting functions, like face unlock, fingerprint reader, ambient light, accelerometer, gyroscope, and proximity sensor. Even though it is hard to compete with brands such as Samsung that conquered a lot of people, or with brands like Caterpillar, which is focused on rugged smartphones, the Chinese manufacturer Poptel did a really great job, considering all the features described above. The P60 is an all-terrain smartphone, able to resist water, dust, and scratches, offering a decent performance. The artificial intelligence software is a plus because theoretically, the aim of this is to improve the user experience. As we can see, the Poptel P60 is a great phone. It comes with all the latest features, large battery, and powerful hardware specification. P60, with his great price, is the exact definition of value for your money. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. And if you want this great phone, Poptel P60 at good price, visit the link below the video, and enjoy shopping. Bye.